What is it? It all starts down there on the contact form. Filling out that contact form, and it comes over to me in the office. In the office, the computer system then picks up that inquiry from the inbox, and it will send you an automated email where you can book your discovery call with me into my calendar. That way you know when I am going to ring you, so it is not out of the blue. During that discovery call, we can discuss your system and your home and a bit of your energy usage. We will then, from that call, be able to send you over a desktop proposal. You can take as long as you need with that proposal, but I will tend to ring you after 7 days. Once you have said yes to that desktop survey, we can then send you out that proposal with an e-signature. Once we have that e-signature back, we then send you a deposit invoice, and then it is a waiting game for our G99s. More on G99s in a blog post. Once you've had that desktop proposal and you've decided you want to go ahead, we will come out to you in our own EV that we charge up on solar PV outside of our own office, and then we will conduct a full site survey. On that site survey, we will confirm our assumptions such as cable routes, that your roof felt and roof structure is sound to have the panels installed onto it, and then we will formulate that proposal into a site survey proposal that you can sign and pay your deposit to us. And then it is the exciting part. We move on to the install. And then we arrive at install day, when Bailey, Jay, and sometimes myself end up on site and you get your system installed. Normally the scaffold will have gone up the week beforehand, but install day is when all the exciting stuff happens, such as gateways, inverters, batteries, and one of the most important parts is all of the paperwork that Jay is currently completing, as well as the testing over my shoulder, to come back to the office. And then once all that paperwork is completed, it is all taken back to the office where Kim completes your handover pack, sends out the final invoicing, and does all the relevant certification. And that is a bit of a journey in how to get renewables onto your home or business via DMH.